In the vibrant heart of a quaint Jamaican neighborhood, Mitzi Brown, a dazzling pop star of the 1970s, emerged like the sun rising over the turquoise sea. Born to a loving family in a clean and friendly community, Mitzi's voice echoed through the streets, enchanting everyone around. Every afternoon, children gathered outside her home, captivated by her soulful melodies as she strummed her guitar on the front porch. With catchy tunes inspired by reggae and pop, Mitzi found herself on stages worldwide, her joyful spirit winning hearts everywhere. Even as she traveled the globe, she returned home, reminding everyone that true stardom is rooted in love, community, and the warmth of a Jamaican sunset. Mitzi's music became a soundtrack for generations, a beautiful reminder of home.